Ever wondered what keeps you safe when you slam the brakes during an emergency? It's your car's anti-lock braking system, or ABS for short. Imagine this: you're driving on a slippery road and you suddenly need to stop. Without ABS, slamming the brakes could cause your wheels to lock up, leading to skidding and loss of control. When your wheels lock, your tires lose traction and steering becomes nearly impossible. But ABS prevents this from happening by regulating brake pressure to avoid wheel lockup. ABS uses sensors on each wheel to monitor their speed. When it detects that a wheel is about to lock up during braking, the system automatically reduces brake pressure for that wheel. The system pulses the brakes multiple times per second, allowing the wheels to keep rotating just enough to maintain traction while still slowing the car down. This means that even in slippery conditions, ABS helps you maintain control of the car, allowing you to steer around obstacles and come to a controlled stop. You may feel a vibration in the brake pedal when ABS is working. That's normal. It's the system adjusting the brake pressure. Without ABS, stopping distances can be longer and you're more likely to lose control. With ABS, braking becomes safer and more effective, especially in emergencies. Remember, while ABS helps you stop safely, it's not a substitute for cautious driving. Always maintain a safe distance, especially in wet or icy conditions. But when the unexpected happens, ABS has your back. Stay safe and drive smart.